That's right, it's time for another episode of the Uptime. I'm your host Jemiah Sius, and I'm back with the latest and greatest updates from New Relic. Now let's face it, I know you're really here for the cute cat pics, but I hope you stick around for the observability. Now, every engineer understands that security is important. We also know that addressing security can sometimes feel like a scrum. Now that's rugby, not agile. But all the players have their heads down and they're attempting to gain the ball. And just like rugby, security is a team sport. And that's why we're excited to announce New Relic Vulnerability Management is in public preview, and it's here to help you smooth the path to be more secure with less effort. Without any additional configurations, it helps you identify and visualize your most urgent vulnerabilities across all application dependencies instantly throughout your development lifecycle with an open ecosystem. It integrates with best-in-class security tools like Trend Micro, Sneak, Fastly, Lacework, Gigamon, and more, so you can easily import security signals. Their insights combined with our observability platform put security insights in context, allowing you to understand what might be vulnerable, when, and where. So now DevOps, SecOps, and SRE teams can work together to share information, identify vulnerabilities, and address security. You can activate your free 90-day trial of vulnerability management today by logging into your New Relic account. And if you don't have a New Relic account, sign up for one. We've all been there, on the edge of our seat in front of the TV, popcorn halfway in our mouth, watching in awe as the hero runs, dives, rides, or flies in to save everything. And right at that big moment, our streaming service craps out. Monitoring the uptime and performance of your streaming services may not sound like the most mission-critical thing until you consider you may be building the next app on one of those services, which is where New Relic Roku Streaming Observability comes in. It's the first comprehensive monitoring solution on the market. This enhanced agent provides engineers with application and device level analytics, including HTTP requests and errors, video quality of experience, and app restarts. It also gathers information on the Roku devices themselves, along with viewer journey tracking so you can identify critical bottlenecks and inflicted areas. And if you also use it to make sure you're getting the best throughput when the new season of House of Dragon drops, we won't blame you. Please check out our blog post on the New Relic Roku agent to learn more, and visit our industry solutions page to see all the other ways New Relic is supporting the media and entertainment industry. Now, as much as we talk about monitoring your infrastructure and applications, what sometimes get lost is that you can monitor your business processes too. You know, answering questions like, am I serving customers and am I making money? This starts with understanding online data or how your mobile and web apps are performing, looking at your cloud activity, adding social media data, or even data from wearable devices. But it also includes things like cash registers, kiosks, POS systems, logistics, transportation, and delivery data. If you're operating any kind of retail business or operation, New Relic is making sure you have the right data to provide your customers with the best shopping experience possible. And that's why we're releasing New Relic for Retail. It's a pre-bundled collection of monitors, dashboards, workloads, alerts, service levels, and quick starts specifically tailored for retail businesses that'll tell you how your business is doing. For online businesses, you get insight around your browser performance, mobile app performance, order processing applications, and social media. For brick and mortar, there's insight for kiosks, POS systems, video cameras, inventory, and back office applications. To keep things en route, you have details on your distribution, logistic APIs, delivery and fulfillment APIs, and shipping. We're working hard to make it easier than ever to get a comprehensive view of your retail business journey, whether it's e-commerce, retail operations, or somewhere in between. Your customer, product, and service paths are merged into a single view. New Relic for Retail Observability is another way to help you connect the dots and provide a comprehensive view and understanding of your retail business process. Visit our New Relic for Retail webpage for more information. Finally, New Relic has two small updates to our Kubernetes integration. First, we've added multi-cluster support so you can analyze workload performance across all your clusters in a single UI. And for our no-code Pixie solution, we've decreased the memory footprint by 50%, which makes it easier to run Pixie in smaller clusters. Pixie will now natively support sending data to open telemetry collectors, and Pixie's profiler, which tells you which part of your application are consuming the most CPU, now supports Node.js, Python, and Ruby, in addition to Java. For more info, check the show notes. And that's all we have for this month. Thank you for joining me for the Uptime. Like and subscribe to get updates about future Uptime episodes. And remember, if you don't teach your cat proper observability, they're just going to learn it online.